Good day. In this video, we are going to look at the typical Year 9 direct proportion question from New Zealand. And this is a question that will appear in most examinations. So without further ado, let's read the question. A cookbook recipe recommends 1.5 teaspoons of sugar to make 12 muffins. How many teaspoons of sugar should be required to make 30 muffins? This is a direct proportion because as one amount increases, the other amount increases. So the more muffin you make, the more number of teaspoons you need to have. So to do that, let's start. So 1.5 teaspoon of sugar is going to take 12 muffins. So you're going to write 1.5 teaspoon, okay, is equal to 12 muffin, okay? That's the first thing is given. And then the second question, how many teaspoons? So we do not know how many, so we put that as x teaspoon, okay, is equal to make 30 muffin. Okay, so now it's a direct proportion. So we would expect the x to be more than 1.5 because 12 muffin require 1.5. 30 muffin, which is more, require x number of teaspoon. So what you do? We are going to do a little bit of algebra. So what we do is that we take this x here, x divided by 1.5 or 1.5. So what we do, we take x divided by 1.5, which is the same as 1.5. This number divided by that number is equal to 30 divided by 12. Okay? Okay, now those of you who are good in algebra, to solve for x, you need to multiply 1.5 on both sides of the equation. So on the left-hand side, the 1.5 will cancel out. So you get x equals to 30 over 12 multiplied by 1.5. So if you put in your calculator, it's going to be equal to 3.75 teaspoon. So this is how you calculate the inverse proportion, sorry, direct proportion type of question. So repeat again. So 1.5 equal to 12. How many teaspoons required for 30? So you take x over 1.5 equal to 30 over 12, okay? And then you use your algebra, you get rid of this 1.5 by multiplying by 1.5. So on the left hand side becomes x, and on the right hand side is 30 over 12 times 1.5. Put in your calculator, and the answer is 3.75 teaspoons. So this is the question that will appear in most examinations. Hope you learn this, and I'll see you in the next one.